What is up, everybody? It's Monday morning. We got a special project today. We have this vehicle that we're going to be doing an interior shampoo. Looks like we got a couple stains right here. And right here, we got a special surprise today. This is all issues from vomit. So what we're going to do is we're going to agitate everything, make sure it gets all this grime out, all this gunk out, as well as using an all-purpose cleaner to make sure we can get everything as much as possible. And after we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and steam clean all these cracks and crevices along with the dashboard, in between the center console, everything that's in there. And also, we're going to be shampooing these seats and carpets and making sure everything looks brand new. I know it looks clean, it looks all right from right here, but underneath, I'm going to try to make this carpet look brand new as possible. So this is the main area that the customer said that they did have an issue with someone vomiting, but everything else we're going to make sure it looks brand new. This is our full interior package with shampooing, and check that out, the baby seat with the car seat, famous car seat, where it's all located. So let's go ahead, keep you stay tuned. I'll try to record everything as much as we can through this process. On top of the wash, we're going to go ahead and get these bugs removed right off. We have this windshield, you know what, and also these rims. You notice if we have black rims and we have this problem right here, you know, we're going to take care of that today. They're going to be nice and shiny. And also all these bugs in front of this license plate. Everything that's going right there, we're going to remove all that stuff. And also, we're going to go ahead and show this car a little bit more love on these plastics. I'm going to shine these up for them today. And that way, it can look nice and fresh when this vehicle's done. For those of you that know or may not know, when we wash our vehicle, we don't have hard mineral water. See what that means? Our water is purified. We got clean water. So what happens is, when people don't have the right water when they wash a vehicle, it creates these hard water spots on the car, especially in 100-degree weather. So we're not even done with this vehicle yet, but look at that. Look at the difference in the rims already. Look at the plastic trim. Look at that. See the difference. When we apply application of chemical without it, makes the vehicle look 100% different. We haven't even steam cleaned this yet, but we just agitated the plastics, made everything look nice and fresh. Just did a quick wipe down off of that. But look at that, the big difference. You won't see any residue left over like you did earlier. We're going to steam clean and get on between these cracks and crevices, all that little stuff right there. And make sure we get in between and get in between the speaker. And make sure this vehicle looks brand new at the end of the day. Alright, so we haven't started vacuuming on this vehicle yet. But those of you that have this question, okay, what do I do when someone vomits in my vehicle or my kid has a mess and spills something? The most important thing that you do, you want to leave your windows cracked about this much, right there, that much. That way the air can circulate, especially in this hot 100-degree weather, because it will create a mold and a bacteria inside your vehicle. See all these stains right here. You know, this can leave a pretty bad smell at the end of the season. So if you're a person that says, you know what, I don't know when to get my car shampooed, I don't have a schedule, I don't have a maintenance plan, let us know. We do recommend every 6 months to get your car shampooed. And if you say, you know what, I don't need the car shampooed, I don't need the carpet shampooed, then we recommend that you get your mini detail done on your vehicle every 3 or 6 months on your vehicle to put agitation to your plastics to make everything look brand new, and also apply a UV protectant onto your vehicle to give it a nice shine. So when we're done steam cleaning these plastics, done with the carpet, we're gonna go ahead and put an application of protection on these plastics, and also to make sure that we extract all this gunk right here. See, we don't know if it's chocolate, protein, and we do know a child sat here. See all the candies in between. So what we're gonna do is get everything out, vacuum it nice and thoroughly, and then we're gonna come back with the steamer and make sure that's pushed out, and then we're gonna go ahead and shampoo and extract on this vehicle. Remember the child seat? Check that out. 100% better compared to where it was at. All the stains. Looks fresh, looks clean. So it's important whenever you get a stain right away, make sure you clean it and wipe it down with the microfiber. Because these stains, sometimes they stay there for a long time and they're almost impossible to get out. But this stains right here, there was a bunch of chocolate right here. I don't know what it was, but it got removed. Same right here, all the dark coloring, this coloring right there. And look at that, it looks almost brand new.